Now we are going to collect 2 points and then draw a line. So first we will tap this point collection and then connect to RTK. Connect. We need to find the SN right here. Okay, fixed, and then go to the point. Collect. Okay, and another point. Another point. Collect. Okay, 2 points. Now we need to create a line. So we will tap here, add a point, or create line. Okay, and then we can see create line right here, and then enter the name. Okay, line 1. Okay, next, and then save. Okay, now the line is created, so we will create a task right here, and you can see the draw lines, draw arrow, draw icons. Then we will select the line 1 and select the path direction from the beginning to the ending. Yes, and then the offset deviation, and or is it a side line or not? Okay, so confirm. Okay, now the task is created. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, SQ, and then put to the top.
Draw in line.
Okay.
End submission.
Okay, finish the line.